Welcome to Decor Shows, your creative space.
Rugs are one of the best home accessories that you can add to your house. They not only add beauty to your home, but they also give your home a unique and warm touch. You can use rugs in your kitchen, living room, bedroom, and many other areas of your home. There are a number of benefits you will enjoy if you use rugs in your home. Let us discuss some of the amazing benefits of having a kitchen rug. Kitchen rugs are useful for a lot of reasons. One of the most important reasons is they protect your floors from getting dirty. Rugs prevent stains from getting on your floor, and if you have a wooden floor, then they help to make it look more attractive. If you have kids or pets, then you should definitely buy a rug for your kitchen. Rugs absorb a lot of the shock and pressure from heavy traffic areas of your home. This means your floors will remain looking new for a longer time. Kitchen rugs also add to the aesthetic value of your kitchen. They give your kitchen a warm and inviting look. There are a few things you need to remember when you are buying a rug for your kitchen. The first thing you need to remember is the size of your rug should be larger than the size of your feet. If you have a normal-sized human foot, then the size of your rug should be about 3 to 4 feet in diameter. If you have big or extra large feet, then you can get a rug which is 5 or 6 feet in diameter. The second thing you should remember is the material your rug is made of should be natural. You should not use synthetic materials like nylon or polyester because they will fade away after some time. If you want your kitchen rug to last for a long time, then you should use only natural materials like wool or jute. The last thing you should remember is your kitchen rug should be easy to clean. This means it should be made out of materials that are stain resistant and easy to remove dirt and dust. Here are some amazing ideas on how you can use rugs in your home. Use a rug in your kitchen to prevent stains and grime. If you have kids or pets, then you should definitely buy a kitchen rug. Rugs absorb a lot of the shock and pressure from heavy traffic areas of your home. This means your floors will remain looking new for a longer time. Kids and pets track in a lot of dirt and grime, and if you don't have a rug in your kitchen, then this dirt and grime will eventually stain your floor. If you have a wooden floor, then they will make it look more unattractive. So, get yourself a kitchen rug and enjoy clean floors for a long time. Use a rug in your living room to create a warm and cozy environment. You should definitely use a rug in your living room to create a warm and cozy environment. Not only rugs add to the aesthetic value of your living room, but also they provide comfort. People who have cold feet due to the presence of a hard surface like concrete or stone tend to sink into the softness of the rug. This makes them feel relaxed and comfortable. They do not feel as though they are standing on a hard surface. This is very important because it gives you the chance to sell your home. If your home is designed with cold hard surfaces, then nobody will want to buy it. If you have a rug in your living room, then you will be able to make your home more appealing to potential buyers. 4. Use rugs in your bedroom to add a little comfort and luxury to your life. Rugs add luxury to your life. Everybody needs a place to lay their head at night. But not everybody gets a luxury bed like a waterbed or a memory foam mattress. If you decide to use a rug in your bedroom, then you can easily get yourself one which is 4 feet in diameter. This will give you plenty of space to spread out and relax after a hectic day. You should definitely use rugs in your bedroom because it will make you and your partner comfortable and relaxed. This will help you to achieve a better and more relaxing sleep. In the kitchen, a rug can be used to create a comfortable and relaxed atmosphere. It is also a great way of adding color to your space without committing to painting or wallpapering. If you're looking for some inspiration on what type of rug might work best in your kitchen, here are 3 different ideas for rugs that will add character and warmth to any room. A bright-colored Persian-style rug with intricate patterns would look lovely against white walls in an open-plan kitchen/dining area where it could be appreciated from all angles. A hand-knotted wool rug in rich jewel tones would make a statement in any traditional-style dining room or sitting area at the end of a long corridor. This type of rug can also be used to define separate spaces within a large open-plan living area. A beautiful ivory sisal floor mat will give your kitchen an interesting texture that adds depth and character to the space. Sisal is durable, practical and easy to clean, which make it perfect for the high traffic areas in the kitchen.